The KASUE Portable Infrared Sauna offers a luxurious spa-like experience right in the comfort of your home, combining infrared technology with steam therapy for effective detoxification and stress relief. Equipped with a 3-liter steam generator, this sauna ensures rapid and even heat distribution, allowing you to customize your session with 9 temperature settings and a maximum duration of 99 minutes. Its spacious design comfortably accommodates adults with dimensions of 35 inches by 35 inches by 71 inches and includes a waterproof folding chair for added comfort. Constructed with a durable 5-layer waterproof and heat-insulating fabric, the sauna maintains warmth efficiently and is built to last, supported by a sturdy stainless steel frame for enhanced stability. This portable sauna is designed for easy installation, requiring only 3 steps to set up and can be conveniently folded for storage, making it ideal for small living spaces. With its user-friendly features and the convenience of enjoying a private sauna session anytime, the KASUE Portable Infrared Sauna eliminates the need for costly visits to professional spas.